Anybody have any idea what is public health? Any idea about public health? What it is? What is public health? The one is health, and this is public health. So what is it? Riddhi, tell. What is public health? Yes, health of the community. Very good. So definition of public health is the science and art of preventing disease, prolonging life, and promoting health through organized efforts of the society. So it's the focus is on population rather than individual person. Public health is focuses on population rather than individual person. So it's the health of the community. Objective of public health is prevent disease and promote health. The second is prolong life through organized community efforts, ensure access to quality health care, educate the population about the health practice, and monitor, control outbreak and epidemic. The last one is very important. Monitor and control outbreaks and epidemics. So during the COVID pandemic, community medicine took a major part. Vaccine developing and vaccine. The core areas of public is what is epidemiology? Anybody have any idea about what is epidemiology? Anybody have any idea about what is epidemiology? Tell.
Study of the health.
Study? No, it's dermatology. Epidemiology is the medical science that determines the presence of absence of disease, which is called epidemiology. And the biostatistics is the part of statistics that deals with living organism. It's called biostatistics. And then the environmental health, health policy and management, social and behavioral science. You will know about how to communicate with the people. And the levels of prevention, everyone know. What is primary prevention? Anybody? And what is secondary?
Secondary is after the disease and initial treatment.
Tertiary?
Tertiary is the further treatment of the disease.
Yes. And another one is primordial prevention. The determinants of health is the biological factor, everyone knows, genetic, age, sex, environmental factor like population, sanitation, socio-economic condition like income, education, lifestyle and behavioral modification, and access to healthcare service. So what are the importance of public health? It improves overall quality of life, reduces burden of the disease, promotes health equity and social justice. So these are the roles of public health, what we do. The last one is research and data collection. This is the very important part of community medicine. We do a lot of research. If anybody interested, then can be part of our research. Students publish. They write the thesis and publish. So public health plays a vital role in improving the being the communities, and through prevention, education and policy, it ensures a healthier and safer future for all. Next again. So one is health. This is the perfect book definition of health. Write down this definition. Write down the definition and search every word in the Google, what it means. I'll ask. Definition of health.
Health is a state of complete health, physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of any disease or infirmity.
What is infirmity? What is infirmity? Tell.
Any sort of weakness or
Yes. Any state of being weak or ill over a long period of time is called infirmity. So, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely absence or disease or infirmity. So, these are the multiple dimensions of health. One is physical health, like proper function of bodies, like mental health. One is social health. One is spiritual health, environmental health. Everybody, please write down. These are the important things. So, what is holistic health? The holistic health means it comprises all the things, like body, mind, spirit, and environment. In the pursuit of wellness, like everything. Whole health is called holistic health. The KPHR integrates physical, mental, and social aspects of health, focuses on prevention and lifestyle modification, promotes harmony between individual and the environment, and encourages self-responsibility and healthy living. So it is called holistic health. So these are the determinants of health: biological factor, behavioral, as you guys know. In the previous slide, it was there. This is a beautiful movie. Everybody should watch. A Beautiful Mind. Okay. And happy Diwali to all.